Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set or change the static host name using nmcli command in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. So first I am logging as a root user in terminal. So only root user can change the host name. So hostname ctl command, you can see that static host name is already exist here. So I'm also checking the hostname file. You can see that static host name is already set. So now we are going to change using the nmcli command. So this is the command nmcli general. So nmcli general will display the connections. So nmcli general host name will display the current host name. So to change the host name, this is the command nmcli general host name space fully qualified domain name. So this will be the static host entry. So and this is the command. Okay, once again let me execute the nmcli general hostname. You can see that new static hostname is got set here, and hostname ctl command also showing the newly set static hostname. So let me verify the cat/etc/hostname. Yes, we can see that new static hostname is got updated in hostname file. Okay, so I'm optionally restarting this systemd-hostname services. This is optional only. In case hostname is not updated properly, means you can restart this services. And also I'm verifying newly changed hostname in settings. You can see that newly changed static hostname is got updated. So this is the way we can set or change static hostname using nmcli command in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. Make sure that your computer is in isolated or in standalone mode.